It's now 4:45 in the morning. It was 3 in the morning, and this is the state of play. We're now leaving for Luton Airport, and this is supposed to be a holiday. It's not feeling very relaxing right now. That is an airport. This is us walking like pikeys. Huh? They walked, didn't they? Look at that. It's an airport, Alison. It's an airport.
Yeah, I know. I've been for a while.
I haven't. I'm taking our COVID test. 10 to 5. The toilets aren't open, so I can't even blow my nose first. Right, so I've just been swabbed. Pre-booked with Collinson for the test centre at Luton. So it's just before you go in the front doors to the left. So it's just taking about 20 minutes. Primarily due first 10 minutes standing outside while people faffed at the doorways because they hadn't booked or anything. Anyway, someone come and ask if we booked. Yeah, we have. Straight in through, a couple of questions, so on. Check the passports in, just have a nose swabbed, and should hear within the next hour whether I'm safe to fly. Here we go. I've never seen such a quiet airport. Very quiet going through security. Look at all this, best sellers at best prices. That was only 15 quid for Bailey's instead of 12 quid at Asda. That mini still there, yeah. Been there a while. Half a mini. Mince pies, cheap, £12.50. What do you reckon, Al? It's a bargain, isn't it? How much for one?
Last one, 7th of January 20. That's the last time I flew anywhere. And you flew anywhere?
That's 5 weeks short of 2 years ago.
Yeah.
No, I flew to Lisbon, didn't I?
Oh yeah.
But that's
yeah.
Rubbish, isn't it? That's rubbish. We don't like COVID. So here we are in the lounge. Tucked in at breakfast. We've got our gin and tonics, pink gin today. There's my sausage bat. And that.
Normal fry up.
Normal fry up. Look at that. That bacon looks undercooked. Look at all the plebs down there. All the plebs. Not enjoying the sound of that. Like he left a spanner in there or something.
There is a light and a whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets.
It's December. If I go in the water,
the tray table has now been stowed and rest down with the flames open and your seatbelt fastened, ready for deposit. Oh yeah.
There's somewhere down there, Ollie, should be where these allegedly two.
Welcome to Reykjavic, where the local time is gone 11:45. Electronic devices may be used if they are within reach for calls, messaging and internet access.
We're outside now. We can take a mask off.
Yeah.
That's good, isn't it?
And I like the volcanic rock salt. That's very clever.
I know. It's very cold.
It's not that cold.
Look at that.
But it's nice.
Look at those. Look, naked. What do you mean it's not cold? Their knobs have disappeared. We're here, but should we have come?
Your fluffy hood matches your beard.
Yeah, as maybe your trimmings. So we are happy campers. We are most definitely happy campers with our cheap camper van hire. Look at this. So we've got a little date Dacia. We're not going to be camping in it, but we got this because the price was good, and it includes a little stove for us to make cups of coffee on. And I was just going to show you the back.
Sorry. I didn't know you were doing that.
So under there is like loads of storage stuff, and there's some mattresses, but we're not going to use that. That's fine, Al, don't worry, that's good. So yeah, so that's our little vehicle. So we're going to go and drive. We're going to drive. It's a little bit white, a little bit of a nice sky. I mean, that's nice. Look at that sky. It's like lunchtime. We're you know the Blues Brothers. We're the white brothers and sister sort of thing. So yeah, so it's a bit snowy and we're wearing rabbits. So here we are. We're driving in Iceland on the wrong side of the road and the wrong way round a roundabout.
In the ice.
And in the slush, in an alien van with my wrong shoes on. So it's going to be quite good. And the gear sticks in the wrong place.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Straight on.
Okay, so that's straight over. Well, I need to go round, skid and go straight over. Quite magnificent. The houses are built on stilts. It's like just like volcanic lava fields.
Big piles of it coming up here.
See where there's some cracks. So one thing we heard about Iceland is that it's really expensive, especially with things like food. So we've come over to the supermarket, Bonus, which is recommended as a cheap one, to have a look at the prices and buy a couple of bits and pieces, despite having about 6 kilos of food with us for the week. There we go. So we got a little packet of sweets, and we got some semi-skimmed milk, litre of, and we got some paprika crispy snack things. £3.67. Didn't seem too out of the way, so we're going to try them, see if they're quite nice. So we've just taken a little walk. We've parked up next to where we're staying, taking a little walk down the road just to check out where we're going tonight, because we've got to get onto a bus, and the bus stop is there. Well, here we are in our Airbnb in central Reykjavic. The location is great. It's eclectic. Anyway, so this is our room. The bed is a lot smaller than expected. The pillows, I'm not going to sleep well. Yeah, it's not really quite what we expected, but the location, we're very central. And looking out here, this is what it's like out there right now. If we can get rid of reflection, so there's snow. It's about 4:30, maybe 4:45. We're going to go for one later. A massive great bath that we went in earlier. That was nice. Toilet's still running. Don't know what it's about. Right, okay. And Al's through there doing some cooking. There's big central islands with a thing, haven't we? Yeah. And it's nice out here. And it's actually like a 2-minute walk to where we were supposed to be picking up our Northern Lights bus tour, but unfortunately,
weather has put it off.
It's put it off, isn't it? It's cancelled, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're stuffed. Al's cleaning up there. Me, I'm just admiring the art. We seem to be doing really well, don't we, Al, for getting really good art in holiday places. I mean, this is great. The classic Tintin, snowy, Pamela Anderson in a basque and fishnet stockings with suspenders on. That Tintin. He likes his hookers. We're going out now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Going out.
I'm well wrapped up.
So we're just walking down and there's a super Jeep. I mean, look at that beastie. That's brilliant. That's like a 4-wheel drive Jeep bus thing. Don't forget about your daily dose of skier. How much did we just say a pack of sandwiches was that? It was 900 krona. That was like £5 for a pack of sandwiches.
Look, there's a picture of a dog in there. Oh, looking a nice thing.
Oh. But you can get a hat with a Viking on it. You get a mug with a puffin on it. There's key rings. You like key rings?
Yeah.
What else you got? Seal, polar bears. Got to watch out for them. Polar bears eat seeds.
Icelandic jumpers.
Icelandic jumpers.
Although you've got to get the proper. Oh no, this is one that
She's
does
quite
make the top.
statuesque, that girl in the shop. Joe, I'll tell you what, right? The girls here, they're very attractive, but you know they're Vikings and they're likely to blood eagle you, and you can't be having that. Fur hats. We've already got them. There's Al in hers, look, there you go. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. How much?
19,599.
That's a lot.
Really soft.
What do you think of these? Roadkill. You go roadkill fox.
Do you know what somebody makes these? It's called furrier.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you know that?
Yeah.
Did you? I didn't.
Yeah.
I read it today.
Yeah. Al reckons it's an eagle. I reckon it's a pigeon. I could do with some chips. JS Watch Company, Gilbert Watchmaker. This is like real jazzy stuff. Watches made for the stars. Get your Rolexes and your Amigas. This is the real fancy stuff. Look at this cool stuff. Look at that. Aircraft stuff. So Gilbert. Oh, Gudjonsson, watchmaker since 1967. Probably the world's smallest watch manufacturer. Those prices, he didn't need to sell many. So I don't recognise all these people, but you know, people who've got one of his watches. So there's Vinnie Jones. Al thought she spotted Gordon Ramsay. I spotted the Dalai Lama. Down there, look, the Dalai Lama's got one of his watches. Quite, I don't know, a bit blown away by the thought. I didn't think the Dalai Lama needed a watch. Reykjavic raincoats, that one there, that puts sea salt shine. Look at that, that's nice. I like that. So, their business hours, open most days about 9 or 10, occasionally as early as 7 some days. So I think they've been at B&M. A sex shop.
Oh no.
What we got in the window? Let's go X-rated. Oh, I look nice in that, I reckon. Yeah. I'd go on OnlyFans as well as YouTube, couldn't I? There's Puffin. Go stand next to the Puffin.
Somewhere there's a shop where you can cuddle a polar bear.
I don't want to cuddle a polar bear. Those things eat you. Oh, there's a big Puffin. It's ice cream time. It really isn't. Look at those little cool little snow dudes. Oh, reindeer rugs, reindeer skins. It's lovely. Lovely and warm. All this stuff. That's me, that is. Puffins. Oh, Slovene soft. Hand knitted Icelandic sweaters. 24,995. Lots of money. Made from the wool of Icelandic sheep. You get yourself a hat.
Yeah.
Dancing polar bear. He's cool. Do you like him? Got dancing. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Just on the road. Oh, there's two of them. They're fighting.
Yeah.
Two pigeons fighting over some dropped chips. Yeah, they're pigeons. That's outstandingly decorated. Oh, I've got to paint my house. Now imagine if I did that, Waveney District Council would go absolutely nuts. But look at that, that is so cool. That's a proper traditional house. Painted up like that. I love it. Oh, well, there's a favourite holiday destination. Love it. Went to these in Berlin, all of them. In Lisbon. Oh, the girls will be happy. Oh, I'm loving the architecture here. It's 1892, so that's going back quite a way. Lovely, still in use as a pub or restaurant, something like that. That's probably what it was before. It looks kind of like that. It's just in the city centre, so you've got all this modern stuff and modern buildings, and in between are these really lovely traditional ones. It's really lovely, centre of Reykjavic, really nice. Going to the islands, a museum about Icelandic punk. Awesome. Punk museum. Sounds like playing. Doesn't sound like punk though. This is cool. So this is a government building that they're extending behind, illuminated with the colours of the Icelandic flag. So there is another part here. It started to snow, as you can see when we get to the lights there. Look at that. Got Icelandic snow for us. There's an elf hanging on the building, illuminated. We've got some illuminated cat thing. Hard Rock Cafe. It's looking lovely. Would be quite nice if it wasn't for fangs. Mad as a fucking box of frogs.
I'm not very good at skating.
So we've got pig and a jumper with a couple of ear warmers. Don't know how you pronounce the name. Icelandic Journey. 7-course tasting menu. Brennivin, which is a spirit. Smoked puffin. Minky whale. Flat cahill, which is Arctic char. That's nice. That's a fish. Horse carpaccio. Ling. Icelandic lamb. Kroby cheesecake. That sounds really good. That's 8,000 krona. How much is that? 1,000 is about 6 quid. How much?
45, 50 pounds.
Right, so that's about 50 quid each then. That's going to cost us 100 quid to have that. But we're going to eat puffin, whale, Arctic char, horse, Icelandic lamb. This is not something we're going to have anywhere else, really. And look, I mean, he's a sweet-looking little lad, isn't he? Al, we'll have a think about this.
We'll have a think about it.
I could maybe go for that.
Yeah, if you think
On our last
fish
night.
and chips is £14.
I'm looking at a reflection in the window and that's freaking me out. It's not shown on the video.
I'm not sure what you look. Oh, I hate. Oh.
This is worthy of my YouTube channel. I don't know quite what this is about. Do you know, Bjork doesn't seem quite so weird anymore. That's really quite freaky.